This is the second tower of the Scape Peel building. This is the lounge area for students in this part of the building. So we have a bunch of ping pong tables, some little board games and seating areas, and it just curves all the way around with all these nice colored walls and everything, just to make it feel nice and cozy. Hi there, this is our cozy cinema room, where students can come in and watch any movies they'd like in the space. And if you see nothing you like here, you always have the option of plugging in your HDMI port to your laptop and play any movie you like on your devices as well. This is a space for all students to use any time of day. We supply a bunch of different variety of gym machines. We've got some treadmills, some rowing machines, and some weights on their side as well. So you come to the other side over here, we have all of our weights on this side here if you really want to pump those gains out. This is one of our viewing platforms where you can look right into the Melbourne CBD. So you've got plenty of seats here, just a couple of friends in the sun, really nice book. And just out that way there, you can see all the skyscrapers of where the CBD is. So it's like Melbourne Central, Flinders Street, all of the big landmarks in Melbourne, just right in that direction there. This is where Melbourne Uni is located, just right near the campus for all your needs. So if you come down this way, this is our rooftop lounge area. We have small viewing platforms out here with some barbecue pits to do some cooking as well.